welcome to our life in the Philippines. So, uh, the other day I was out doing some walking around, and I stopped by this place you see in the video opening. It's a dealer, pretty good size dealer here in the Philippines, but they sell some odd brand bikes. And I stopped by and I saw, I thought I was looking in and I saw an Nmax in there, but it wasn't. So I took a little look at it, got kind of impressed with the look and how it feels. And I've been motorcycle or bikeless for the last, I think it was since August, when I got rid of the other bike. Planned to go to Sweden. Complications, obviously, because of COVID, not having vaccination at the time, and more than likely I would never be able to come back unless I took that famous thing, the stick needle. So the other day I saw some reports that Philippines is now finally opening up, and I decided to go ahead and grab this bike. I call it the Nmax Knockoff, and this is basically my first ride with it. The odometer says 0 kilometers, 0 miles, and I'm just going to take it for a spin. And be honest with you, it feels pretty solid. To me, it feels almost a little too stiff on the shocks, but I'm sure that can be worked out. The shocks are really, really stiff, so it becomes almost like a little vibration in it. But we'll see how it rides once we load some other passenger on it and see. Anyway, the interesting part with it is that it appears to be pretty much that accessories are available as long as you just buy the version 1 of the Nmax accessories. Everything fits right on it. So I'm going to go down and look at a few things. One of the things I like with the bikes are real good forward lights. As you get older, your dark vision, night vision gets a little distorted, and a light or good lights will for sure help you. So anyway, this place is up in Mabiga, in Mabalacat, and the run I'm doing is just straight down MacArthur. I'm gonna go in and check some of the accessories and see what I can find as far as light. Maybe a different mirror assembly to free up the steering for other things like cameras, cell phones, and other things. With the mirrors on the handlebars, it becomes a little cluttered. So we'll see. So far, so good. It runs really, really nice, and can't wait to get back and start riding again. Apparently, we are now in a situation where we know we had kind of a increased level NCR and level 3, but I think that is all gonna drop when they also open up for the international tourism. So we'll see what announcements will come here. Excuse me. All right, so we are near coming down here to my home my home for the past 7 years. I've been staying there. We moved in August, further up to the Fiesta community, almost south of the Tarlac provincial border, and you know, Janice could get a little closer to family, and so far so good. And traffic always be cluttered. All right, let's try to get around this thing. All right, there we go. So I'm going to later on in the video, once I get the parts and other things, I'm gonna make a short little video, show the bike in more detail. Once I get some mileage onto it, I'm gonna make a little review of it and see what good. What I can say is the bike cost about half of what an Nmax cost, or actually even less, and I didn't feel like spending a whole lot of money on a bike until we for sure know exactly what's going on. I figured this one I can drive for a year and drive it in the dumpster if it came to it. Hopefully it will last a little longer than a year, but they have pretty good warranty on them, and we can you know, it's almost like a 12-month full warranty. There was some exemption on some seals and some other things, but it looked pretty good when it comes to the warranty. So, and free service for the first year, that kind of stuff. So we'll see. There'll be a follow-up video with that, and then we're gonna start travel a little bit again, do some vlogging, and we shall see. You know, being bikeless for almost August till February, 6 months. What happened is, you know, when you want to get out and public transportation, hassle, get on the jeepneys. For a while there now, I think even in Angeles you need a vaccine card to get on. I mean, they don't make it easy, but the cost of what I've been doing over the last 2 months, 3 months, traveled a little bit instead of motorcycle, renting a car, and I think I have like 15, 16 days of car rental just in the last 60 days. So it kind of becomes pricey. So this comes in handy. All right, it is a beautiful day for a rider today. Traffic is moderate, sun is shining, few little white clouds. We have had an extreme heat here for this time of the year. I think, you know, almost every day, 30, 31, 32 degrees Celsius. Makes it hot. But anyway, I'm gonna run back in here through some of the back roads. I'm gonna head up towards Marquee Mall. The road up there I know has a lot of accessory stores and motorcycle shops, whatever, and I'm gonna try to go there and pick a few things out. I need to buy like a box in the back. The dealer ordered a bracket for me. They put it on before I picked it up. That way, all I got to do is just go and buy that box and stick it on. So then, like I said, I'll do another video with all the stuff I've done to it, and some reviews of that, and we'll see. You know, I've been on the lazy side, like I said earlier. Haven't put out a whole lot of videos. You know, to be honest, there's not a whole lot to talk about when you're sitting home, and I kind of got tired of the subject that mainstream media runs all the time, and I just said I'll hold off. Yeah, you know, to put out content, it has to be content that is at least has some interest and some views and other things, than just talk about a crappy situation and time in our life where there's going to be a lot of questions about a lot of things. If you hear this little rattle noise, it's actually the I bought a cell phone holder, and apparently it doesn't like having no cell phone in it. It's silent when you have a cell phone in it, hopefully, and I gotta fix that, put a piece of rubber in anyway. Alright, so we are nearing the destination here, and we're gonna try to find what we need. And this was a first little ride, if many to follow. I think I just saw some stuff back here, so I'm gonna turn around. And thank you for watching, guys. Keep an eye out for our live feeds. We generally do it Wednesday night, but Robbie and Bill might do some too, so keep an eye out for it. God bless. See you soon again.